Camera, action, ready.
Hello and welcome to today's Country Pal. Today we are at Fernsvale Marina. Now today I'm going to be learning the art of how to clean this boat. Come to the boat. I am now not going to actually have any training, but I have got a thingy which I suppose waters, a brush, scrape, and some gloves. Now, today on Country Pal, Matt will be in Matlock looking at the wonderful park. But today, I am here. Take a look at what we're going to be looking at today while I get ready. Just show you the boat and around the area. That's kind of good, that is, Alice.
And bringing you back into focus. Presenter.
So, first of all, I suppose we need a little spray. Now, as you can see here, we're doing the basics. Now, I'm not really one for cleaning boats, but if you think about having a boat, this will be the every week life. Everyday life is cleaning a boat. Now, later in today's show, Matt will be in Matlock Bath Park. Why don't we take a look at what will be on the latest show?